Just set up my cluster here. Here. That might work. Alright. As you can see, my cluster is on vacation getting refurbished. It was working good, but I had a bunch of repairs on it and I was testing it out and then it stopped working. So it's time to have it, you know, professionally redone and make it all nice. So we'll do that. So anyway, you can use Hondata Bluetooth and monitor everything. So let's give that a shot. We got the laptop. BMW with the laptop in the passenger seat. Always a sign of trouble. So I was having some problems with the coolant temperature. So hopefully it behaves. Oh, my app isn't working. Just refresh this. I don't know if you can see, but let's see if she holds up. So this is, yeah, so you see the idles all over the place, bouncing up and down. So my tuner told me he needs some wide open throttle logs, so we can handle that. We'll do a little second gear rip right here. Coolant's working good now. That's good. Pretty noisy in here. I hope putting the hood back on will solve it. But yeah, the flywheel's noisy. I don't even know. Maybe even the power steering is making the noise right now. Might be some bubbles everywhere. I don't know. You know, this is really like not even a shakedown. Just trying to test it out and see how she does. And ultimately, the car has to be taken all apart again to make the bay nice. So, you know, just trying to enjoy it as is, just for a second to see if all this was gonna work. But yeah, what is that god awful noise, man? Let's see if I put the clutch in, what if that noise goes away. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it feels good. It's not like crazy fast. I mean, tune is still got a long way to go as I understand it. So this clutch is a pain. So hopefully it's gas, because there's no gas gauge obviously. But I'm happy to see the coolant temp is staying nice and low at 170 right now. So I took it out before and it hit like 220 pretty quick. So I had to pull over and there was a big air bubble, but we got it sorted now. But yeah, certainly a lot of vibrations in here. Some bolts just rattled out of the glove box. When you're on it though, it feels really good. It's just when you're kind of cruising around, the idle is rough. Or at least the noise is rough. Yeah, as soon as you hit the gas, there's way less noise. So I'm just chilling in third gear here. I don't want to be too rough on I don't know it, how it's gonna act. I'm not gonna beat it down quite yet. But yeah, man, I think that flywheel is ridiculously loud. Jesus, okay. Oh, I guess this road is closed. Brakes don't feel that good, so I gotta take it easy. And there's stuff rattling around. I know there's some loose bolts somewhere, stuff bouncing around the trunk, my toolbox, and God knows what else is falling apart. So again, this is just a little drive just to show it off a little bit, test it out. And I do have to ultimately pull the engine pretty soon and get going. Almost sounds like there's an exhaust leak now. Coming right out of the downpipe there. Dude, the flywheel, or I'm not even sure what's making all that racket, is rough. Yeah, like what is that? That sounds horrible. Up there now, cool at 192. I'm sure there's still air because I got no heat, and it used to work, so like crazy, so that's good. Okay, where are we at over here? We could do a little. I mean, dude, it accelerates like crazy. Once you get up to the top of third gear, it feels really nice. The front feels pretty lightweight, so that's nice. And the tune is pretty conservative. I don't even know if it goes into VTEC at all. Just getting some data logs, so hopefully get some good data for this dude and he can make some adjustments and get it running nice. Alright, so I guess that'll wrap it up.